What's up, guys? It's me again. So, hornby Stepney is literally nearly impossible to get, so I made my own. And he's honestly one of my favorite customs I've ever done. I really like Stepney as an engine. Like, first off, as most of you know, he's inspired by an actual engine called Stepney. Yeah, an actual terrier called Stepney. Now, here's a picture from the TV series. So, yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah, there are just some slight differences, like those things over the wheels are a slightly different shape. But hey, this was the only terrier I had. Yeah, I tried to look for um Box Hill or the actual terrier Stepney, but they weren't available, so yeah. So believe it or not, this terrier actually used to be BR Black all over. So I painted pretty much everything on him to Stepney's color. Now, the name and number were actually used with a silver Sharpie because I thought that would be easiest to make it come out good. Now there's the other side. So, yeah, I think I did a pretty dang good job on him. So, yeah, Stepney is a Railway series character, and he's got his own book, which there are a lot more chapters in, such as Stepney Special, but in the TV series, his first appearance was in the episode Thomas and Stepney when he first comes to the railway. Alright, now, I know you guys probably want to see him in action. There's D261 on the turntable. Looks like he's trying to boast to Stepney. But Stepney's not going to let it get to him. Now to complete the showcase. So, yeah, tell me, guys, what do you think of Stepney, and how does he compare to the Hornby Stepney in your opinion? Alright, guys, this showcase is about over. I'll talk to you soon.